Hello guys, my name is Kadiri. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to show you 15 amazing keyboard shortcuts that not too many people know. So before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. And also don't forget to turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you. So let's jump right into that. So number 1, create virtual desktop. So the keyboard shortcut to create virtual desktop is the Windows key plus the Control key and then the letter D key on your keyboard. So with that, you can create virtual desktop on your PC. Number 2, switch between virtual desktops. So the keyboard shortcut to switch between virtual desktops is the Windows key plus the Control key and then the front arrow key or the back arrow key. 3, minimize or open windows. So the keyboard shortcut to minimize or open windows is the Windows key plus the letter M key on your keyboard. 4, to open apps on Taskbar. So the keyboard shortcut to open apps on your taskbar is the Windows key plus any number between 1 and 9. What I mean is that if you want to open, let's say, the File Explorer on your taskbar, which is the first app there, you are going to press the Windows key plus number 1 on your keyboard. Or if you want to open the App Store, which is number 2 right here, you press the Windows key plus the number 2 on your number row. Or if you want to open the mail, you press the Windows key plus the number 3 on your number row. Or Photoshop, which is number 4 right there, and Mozilla number 5. So basically, you press the Windows key plus the corresponding number between 1 and 9. So number 5, to split screen between 2 apps. So to split screen between 2 apps, the keyboard shortcut to do that is the Windows key plus the arrow keys on your keyboard. So let's say, for instance, I want to share my screen between these 2 applications right here. So first of all, I'm going to select the app and then I'm going to press the Windows key plus the left arrow key on my keyboard, and then you see it has snapped to the left hand side of my screen. So if you want to make it go to the right hand side of your screen, you can simply hit on the Windows button plus the right arrow button on your keyboard. 6, switch between 2 open apps. So the keyboard shortcut to switch between 2 open apps is the Control key plus your alternate key and then Tab. So you can say I have my File Explorer and my Word document open on my system. So if I hit on Tab, you see the Word document is highlighted. So all I need to do is to hit on Enter and then it will switch from the File Explorer to my Word documents. 7, program management and troubleshooting. So let's say, for instance, you have a running program that is not responding or that is troubleshooting. You can simply hit on your Control key plus the Shift key and then the Escape key on your keyboard. And your task manager will automatically be open. So all you need to do right here is to select the app, then you right click on it and then you are going to click on End Task to stop the program from running. So this process will help you save data so you don't lose progress on whatever it is you are working on your system. So number 8 is to open File Explorer. So the keyboard shortcut to open File Explorer on your PC is the Windows key plus the letter E on your keyboard. So that's it right there. 9, to use Magnifier. So to use Magnifier on your PC, the keyboard shortcut to do that is the Windows key plus the plus or subtraction button on your keyboard. So if I hit on my Windows key plus the addition button on my keyboard, you see it magnifies the desktop. So if I hit on the subtraction button, it minimizes it. So if my screen is magnified like this, wherever I move my mouse to will be magnified. 10, take screenshots. So to take screenshots on your PC, you press the Windows key plus the print screen button on your keyboard. So when you do that, you go over to your File Explorer and then on your picture folder, you see the screenshot folder right there. So when you click it open, you have your screenshots right there. 11, to open Action Center. So to open Action Center on your PC, the keyboard shortcut to do that is the Windows key plus the A key on your keyboard. So right here you get access to all your notifications, your Bluetooth and many other functions. 12, to open settings. So to open settings on your PC, the keyboard shortcut to do that is the Windows key plus the I button on your keyboard. 13, to open Game Bar. So to open Game Bar on Windows, you press the Windows key plus the letter G on your keyboard. So the number 14 shortcut I'm going to show you, still on the game bar, is the Windows key plus the alternate key plus arrow on your keyboard to start recording. 15th, to lock your computer. So let's say you are done using your PC and you want to move away from it, but you don't want someone coming and snooping in on your PC. So the keyboard shortcut to quickly lock your PC is the Windows key plus the L button on your keyboard. So when you do that, your PC will be locked, and when you come back, you will have to input your password to have access to your PC. So that's it, guys. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you, and I will see you on the next one.